family, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making apple donuts. So let's get started. I have 1 egg, I have 2 teaspoons of water, I have 3 spoons of sugar, I have 2 spoons of oil, and have 2 apples. So we're going to blend that till smooth. To add the mixture to our bowl and our flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and give that a quick mix. So keep mixing properly. So guys, let's start adding the butter to the oil. Family, our donut is ready to be taken out. As you can see, it's well fried. Wow, so beautiful, beautiful, nice. So give it a try and let me know what you think.